Guys, have you ever felt like you're buying meme coins way too late? While you're manually connecting your wallet and confirming the transaction, whales have already grabbed their gains and left. But what if you had a tool that reacts faster than any human? Today we're testing Pump Fund Sniper. This isn't just a script, it's a full-fledged AI agent promising to execute snipes in milliseconds. I decided not to just believe the website, but to test it for real. I'm loading 4 SOL into this and watching to see if this bot can turn it into serious results while I just observe. Let's go. Right off the bat, I see the interface is clean, no clutter, strictly business. Clicking the green Launch Terminal button. First step, connecting the wallet, choosing Phantom, and pay attention to this important detail. The connection is non-custodial. This means the bot doesn't hold your private keys on its servers, you're fully secure. That's a huge plus for trust. Moving on to the most interesting part, the settings. There are ready-made presets here, safe, balanced, aggressive, and even degen for the most risk-tolerant folks. But the main feature is the AI Agent tab. You can connect powerful neural networks, Gemini, GPT, Claude, or even Grok. Look, the bot doesn't just blindly click buy, it analyzes the token before purchasing. I'm choosing GPT 5.4 as my co-pilot. Let the neural network decide if it's worth entering a trade, saving settings and getting ready to launch. Alright, hitting start trading. The bot has started scanning the mempool. Look how fast that list is filling up. The video is sped up 10 times, but even so, you can see the incredible speed here. Notice the trade statuses. See those red skipped or honeypot marks? That's our protection working. The bot spots a scam token, analyzes the contract, and doesn't even waste gas on it. It automatically filters out scams and saves our money. Now look at the PNL chart in the bottom left. It's going straight up. 0.5 SOL, 2 SOL, 5 SOL in profit. The bot is executing hundreds of trades. The win rate is holding strong. It buys at the very early stage, waits for a small pump, and sells over and over. 10 SOL, 15 SOL, 20 SOL. This machine is just printing results. During this time, the bot analyzed thousands of tokens, filtered out the junk using AI, and only caught the liquid moves. This is the true power of automation. Okay, I decided to stop the bot. Let's see what was happening under the hood. Switching to the Live System Logs tab, full transparency here. You see every action, sentiment passed, market sentiment is good, holders check OK, and then the buy. No magic, just pure logic and data. The most important moment, the results. Going to the profile, total trades 239, successful 187, win rate 78%. For the meme coin market, that's an absolutely stellar number. And the main thing, net profit, plus 24.897 SOL. Remember, I deposited 4 SOL, so we turned 4 coins into almost 29. That's more than 6 times in a single session. Now let's withdraw the profit. Enabling manual withdrawal, pasting my wallet address and hitting send now, the bot sends all the profit right back to you. Look, balance updated. It was around $3,000, now it's over $5,500. The profit is actually in the wallet, everything is legit. Pump Fund Sniper is a powerhouse tool for those who want to trade on Solana efficiently. Speed, scam protection, and AI analysis make it one of the best on the market right now. If you want to try it, the link to the site is in the description below. Don't miss your chance to snipe the next gem. Drop a like if this video was helpful, and subscribe so you don't miss new tool reviews. See you in the next one.